Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the seventh chapter, Major Dhyanchand. He was a great hockey player. Just see the picture of the Major Dhyanchand. See clearly. Saturday, 15th August 1936. It was the day of the hockey finals during the Olympic events held in Berlin, that is in Germany. Saturday, 15th August in the year 1936. It was the day of the hockey finals during the Olympic events. That time the events were held. Olympic events. It was held in Berlin. It is in Germany. Germany had defeated several teams to enter the finals against the Indian team. Now Germany had defeated many teams. Why? Because they wanted to come against the Indian team. They wanted to play with them. They were the host of the Olympics. You know what do you mean by host? Host means a person who entertains guests in his or her house or home. They were the host of the Olympics and they were sure of the victory. Victory means that they will win. Perhaps that was the reason why the ruler Hitler had himself come to watch the match, because they knew that we are going to win the match. So for that reason, the ruler, that is the Hitler, he came over there himself to watch the match, and he knew that our team always wins the match. All the day before, it had rained heavily. A day before, it was raining heavily. It had rained very heavily. The entire field had become waterlogged. Your waterlogged means everywhere there was water, filled with water. But 15th August being the last day of the games, it was not possible to postpone the match any further. Postpone means to delay the match. Here, the entire field had become waterlogged, means everywhere there was water. It was filled with water. But 15th August was the last day and they could not postpone, that means delay the match any further. The Indian team was a little under pressure as they had lost to Germany in practice match and they were not very comfortable with the wet ground. Now the Indian team, they were under pressure. That means they thought that we are not going to win the match, as they had lost to Germany in the practice match. When they were doing the practice, they lost the match that time with Germany. And they were not comfortable due to this wet ground, as though it was rained a day before. About 40,000 people had gathered in the hockey stadium to cheer Germany against India. Now over here, about 40,000 people had come over there to watch the match in the stadium, to cheer the match against India, that is against Germany and India. The Maharaja of Baroda state, the Prince of Bhopal, and a few other Indians had also come to support the Indian team. Now the Maharaja of Baroda state, as well as the Prince of Bhopal, and some few other Indians had also come to support the Indian team. The match started exactly at 11 a.m. Exactly sharp at 11 a.m. the match had started. And the German team had adopted a novel strategy of using the Indian technique of short distance passes against the Indian team itself. Now here the German team had adopted a novel strategy. That means they wanted to play the match with them, against them, of using the Indian technique. How the Indians were playing, they wanted to use that technique of short distance passes against the Indian team itself. They had resorted to a very aggressive play. Now they started to play in a very aggressive way, means to attack unjustly. The Indian team was offering an equal strong resistance Now the Indian team was playing with an equally strong means very big, good, resistance means withstand the action. No team could make a goal during the first half hour. Nor the German team nor the Indian team could make a goal within or with that first half an hour. During the 32nd minute, Roop Singh scored the first goal, hitting the ball towards the goal post from a difficult angle. After 32nd minute, Roop Singh he scored the first goal, hitting the ball towards the goal post from a very difficult angle. In the second half of the match, the Indian team found a firm footing. Now in the second half section of the match, the Indian team found a very firm footing. That means they were now fit for playing on that ground, wet ground. The entire team played as one and made 3 more goals against Germany. Now the entire team played very well and they made 3 more goals against Germany. 2 of them were made by the captain of the Indian team, that is the Dhyan Chand. 2 goals were made by the captain, that is the Dhyan Chand of our Indian team. However, the German players were also trying their level best to win. Now the German players, even they were trying their level best to win the match. They too succeeded in making 1 goal. They too made one goal. Not only a few last minutes were left, Dhyan Chand had resolved to win the match at any cost without allowing Germany to take or make any more goals. Now, not only a few minutes were left, Dhyan Chand had resolved. Here, resolve means decided to win the match at any cost without allowing Germany to make any more goals. They do not want Germany to make the goals. His spike shoes were making it difficult for him to run fast on the wet ground. He had worn those spike shoes and it was very difficult for him to run on the wet ground. He removed the shoes and the socks and began to run barefoot. He removed the shoes and the socks and he started running or playing barefooted on the ground. Using his amazing skills of dribbling. Here, dribbling means to run with the ball, controlling its path with a hockey stick or feet, and his near magical game. He began to send one pass after another to the players in the D, that is, in the defenders or the opponents. When he removed the shoes and the socks, he began to play barefooted and using his amazing skill. Skill means his own capacity of playing, of dribbling. Actually, dribbling means to run with the ball, controlling its path with the hockey stick or the feet. And his near magical game, he began to send one pass after another to the players. He started by sending one pass after another to the players in the D. D means that is the defenders or the opponents. Opponents means the opposite players. Area from where they could make goals. They too did not let the passes go waste. As they were playing, they did not let any pass to be wasted. The Indian team scored 3 more goals. Now the Indian team, they scored 3 more goals. Dhyan Chand could have easily made the goals himself from his own position. Now Dhyan Chand could make the goals by himself from his own position where he is standing. But he never played a selfish game. He did not like to play a selfish game. He liked it to play very honestly. Skillfully, he took the ball away from the German defenders and made it possible for the players in the D to score goals. Skillfully means capacity to do something well. He took the ball away from the German defenders and made it possible for the players in the D to score goals. My dear children, today I have read it till here, that is page number 17, 16 and 17. Tomorrow, page number 17, remaining part I will teach you. So, till that time, you read this chapter, go through the meanings or difficult words. Thank you.